everybody. So, first of all, I got a manicure. Second of all, today's video is of what I'm packing because tomorrow I'm going on a road trip, including what my American Girl doll is back in. So, yeah. Just a little clarification. My American Girl doll loves going on trips and her first trip, so if you guys want to know, it's her first trip. So let's get into my things first. So, in here, I have Snakey. He's really fun because he's twirly. Ow. Slapped my arm. Then I have my wallet, like this. Then I have my phone and my tablet. Of course I will have my charging cords, but since it's the day before I'm leaving, I don't have them. Then I have my little notebook that I'm going to just write down little things in it about the road trip. And also it will help us know how much money we're spending. Then I have my art portfolio. It has all my little drawings, and then it also has paper in it. Then more drawing stuff. I have my sketch diary. I have different things because if I mess up, I don't want to rip pages out of this, so I want to use loose paper, and then the easier drawings will go. Then the stuff for my art I have in here. It's my little pencil case that you guys saw in my What's in My Backpack Chinese End of School edition. It has like all my markers and pencils and highlighters and all that little just stuff. Then I have these sunglasses and they're really cute. They're like little hearts. Oh, there's hair. Cute they are. And I'm just gonna show you guys what they look like. Yeah, that's that. So next is a pencil and 2 books. These books are Drama and Sisters by Rainy Telgemere. I really, really like these books and I want to read them again. So let's get this backpack again. Oh, finally I'm done with my bag. Okay, now time to do some other things. So, I have my pillow for the car ride and my favorite little blanket. Peace sign blanket. That's all of my stuff. Now time for my dog to do her little section, what she brought. Okay, so hey everybody! Just kidding. She's not going to be talking. So first of all, here's her car, her little car outfit. She has Kit's shoes from her report outfit. Then she has these leggings from Our Generation and the Washington DC American Girl shirt. She also has Kit's bow from her meat dress, her meat outfit. So first, I'm going to do her suitcase. So in here she has the American Girl travel pillow and the American Girl travel blanket that comes with the American Girl travel bed. Then I have my little brush for her. It's not a wire wig brush, but she's not exactly an American Girl, but so it's perfect for her hair. And then she also has the pack of tennis shoes. Then she has this cute little biker girl outfit. It has this cute little rock shirt and rock skirt and a black shirt. Then I have this cute little sundress with her little sun hat. Then we have another little car outfit for when we're coming back, or just comfy outfit. It says an I Heart Paris shirt, and these little leggings that I got when I got my Samantha girl. Then, oh, by the way, this came from Etsy, and then these things came from when I got Samantha. Then she has a formal outfit. These came with Donna from Journey Girl Donna. Which is this young lady, yours truly. And then the blouse that's underneath Julie's holiday outfit, like little onesie thing. This is what the shirt is. Then she can't go to like a hotel or like with us without a swimsuit. So this is her strapless swimsuit. It looks like it would be a halter, but it's not. It's actually strapless. This is the straps that go around her back. It's really confusing, but yeah. You know what? I'll just show you. Okay. So I finally got it on her. It has a little bow in the back, as you can tell. That, by the way, I made this myself out of my friend's old swimsuit. Then also, since I didn't want to spend money on getting a whole bottoms, since I couldn't make bottoms out of a swimsuit, I just used American Girl underwear. Because they kind of look like bottoms. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. So now, let's get this all out of the way. I have to show you guys her car bag. She doesn't really have that much stuff in her car bag. It just looks super stuffed because of this. It's her sweater. This is actually the sweater that comes with her me outfit, or just the outfit that she comes in, which is Donna. Yeah, I keep on saying that she's Donna, even though you guys probably already know. Then I have her laptop. It has a minion on it. Then she has her phone. Then I gotta get her food. She has a little pretzel. These are Shopkins, by the way. Then she has sugar cubes, or these are actually sugar cube Shopkins, but these are like sugar bites or something in her mind. And then she has a folder. Not school. It's money! She actually has way more money than I actually do at this moment. So you're lucky, girl. And then last but not least, she has hair ties. I just didn't feel like showing you because, yeah, I think you guys know what hair ties look like. So that's it. So let's just let Donna finish this. So make sure to like,